Hello everyone, let's do unboxing. LOL surprise. Let's open it. Alright. Okay, see what we have here. Stickers. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we have 5 bags. Okay, let's open this one. See what's inside. Oh, it's a dress. A pretty little dress. Look at this. Okay. Alright, let's open this big one. Alright. Ooh. Look what we have here. Nice. Okay. Okay, next bag. What's this? Oh, the sippy cup. This one. What is this? Oh wow, a tiara. Oh wow, nice. Okay, and last one. Oh, her shoes. Okay, alright, now she got dress and she got shoes. Look. Alright. Let's put the dress on her. Okay. Okay. There you are. Oh, look. Look how pretty she is. Nice. Okay, let's put the shoes on. Alright, this one goes here. And the other one. Alright. Oh, look. OMG. Very nice. Look, her sippy cup matches her dress. Oh, and let's put her tiara on. Let's see. Okay. Look at her. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Her eyes and her blue dress matches. Wow. Nice. Oh, look at her hair. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at her. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Wow, She looks like a baby Cinderella. Huh? Okay friends, thank you for watching, and until next time, see ya. Thank you.